Okay, in 6.2, the bottom of the page 6 here, looking at application exercises where you can expect the word problems to match what we've been practicing this whole time. Okay, so let's do our steps here. Let's read it, take a deep cleansing breath, not panic, read it again, set up our goal, highlight, maybe bring some information that we have to the problem, then we can set it up, solve, and look back. So here we go on our first read. Number 102. The base of a triangular sail is 4 times feet, and is 4x feet, and its height is 3x plus 10 feet. Write a binomial in terms of x for the area of the sail. So deep breath, and then let's look at that again. So the base of a triangular sail is 4x feet. Its height is 3x plus 10 feet. Write a binomial in terms of x for the area of the sail. Okay, so our goal here, we're going to stop until we've come up with a binomial that represents area. And we know right now that binomial is 2 terms. And you should be able to recall from Math 60 what it means to have the area, or to be able to find the area of the triangle. Okay. One of the suggestions when you're highlighting information is to draw a picture. Now, even though the picture's here on the page, there's some value in redrawing it for yourself. Sometimes you can just unlock more of what's happening here. Plus, we can get rid of the non-needed information. So if we're just drawing the triangular sail that we've been describing, then it has a base. They draw the base up here, but again, it might just be easier to see it if you put it down here at the bottom. And it has a height of the 3x plus 10. From there, it's time to bring our own formula. And in this case, it's the formula for area of a triangle. That's 1/2 times base times the height. Base and height. And in this case, 4x is going to be our base. 3x plus 10 is going to be our height. And now our goal is to write a binomial in terms of the area. So we know that the area is equal to 1/2 base times height, and now we're just going to replace what we know. 1/2 stays that, but the base is now going to be 4x, and the height is now going to be 3x plus 10. Which in this case, 1/2 times 4x is just going to be 2x. Multiply that by 3x plus 10. My handwriting almost got in the way there again. Distribute that 2x. 2x times 3x is going to be a 6x squared. 2x times 10 is going to be a plus 20x. And because it's a situation, we want to make sure we finish the story with a label, and really I should have done that here to remind myself that this is going to be square feet. So 6x squared plus 20x. Square feet or feet squared. Okay, so I always want to make sure we label to complete the story. And at the bottom of the page, you'll notice that there are some review and preview exercises highlighted. Very important, don't skim over those. The review obviously goes back and pulls things even from Math 60 at this point. It's pulling some old stuff. You should know it no matter how long it's been since you've done it. Okay, might be a little rusty, but it's in there somewhere. And then the preview, it's a way to get your brain ready for the next set of problems. Make sure you take advantage of that.